Hello, today we will be making a polar bear arts and crafts with a newspaper. For your first step, you're going to grab your scissors, grab your newspaper, find a page, and cut out a hole. Just cut out your hole. Your first hole should be about this big. This would be the polar bear's head. After you cut out your polar bear's head, you're gonna cut out another piece, but it's gonna be like a half circle like this. And this is your polar bear's body. Then you will cut out two small ears. Two small circles, these are your ears. Now you gotta make something for the polar bear's mouth/nose area. Cut it out like this, a little bit bigger than the ears. See? Then you're gonna grab your piece of black cardstock and cut out a small piece like this. That way you can make the ears colored like that. You're gonna cut out two ears and two pieces of cardstock just like that. Then for the nose mouth area piece, you're gonna need another piece of cardstock just like that for the nose. Now here comes the easy part. Here, you're gonna lay down your blue cardstock. Gonna lay down on top of that your polar bear body. Then your polar bear's head, then his nose, piece of cardstock, and your ears. Now you're gonna wanna glue everything into place. I'll show you how that looks. Glue the body of your polar bear onto the bottom of the page like this. I like to do it this way with your head of the polar bear. Put some glue on the bottom of it, or all the way up to like the halfway point. Then stick it just above the top of the body. So it looks like that. This way, you have a place to put your ears. Now with your ears, you're gonna glue this piece of cardstock right there. Do the same thing with the other ear. Then, once you've glued those pieces up top, put some glue behind that, press down, and boom, you have your polar bear so far. Now what you have to do is tape your nose right there. On top of your taped down nose, which is right there, tape some cardstock. Now you should have something that looks like this. Now you grab a black marker. You can draw a little smiley face. Like that. Now, he needs eyes. So for your eyes, we actually don't have googly eyes today, so we're going to be drawing eyes. You can do a circle. 1, 2, like that. And then draw a smaller circle. Fill that in the middle. That way you have something like that. Now if you want to add a little something extra, you can peel the body of the polar bear up and tape a piece of white paper below it, just like that, to give it more of a snowy feel. Then you just simply tape the polar bear's body back down, or you can use glue like I am. And boom. Polar bear's all back together. Now you have a snowy polar bear.